As mentioned, the marquee feature of the Galaxy A series is the full metal unibody design, and that continues with the Galaxy A8. Unfortunately, that also means the battery is not removable. Chamfered edges go around the entire frame, and the body has been mostly rounded off along the corners and the back, with the exception of the sides that feature some very prominent angles. With a thickness of just 5.9 mm, the Galaxy A8 is Samsung's thinnest phone to date, and the device is quite light, with a weight of 151 grams, despite its metal construction. The Galaxy A8 comes with some very thin side bezels, which helps make it a little more manageable as far as one-handed use is concerned, even though it's still a very tall phone. The metal build and extremely sleek profile is a great combination. That said, while it feels solid in the hand, the Galaxy A8 can still be pretty unwieldy at times, because of the large screen and the slipperiness of the metallic back. The Galaxy A8 comes with a 5.7-inch Super AMOLED display with full HD resolution, resulting in a pixel density of 386 pixels. The large size of the display makes it great for watching videos, playing games, web browsing, and pretty much anything else you'd typically want to do on your phone. It's got everything that we love about Samsung's Super AMOLED panels, like great viewing angles, high brightness, good outdoor visibility, and vibrant, saturated colors that make the elements pop off the screen. In most markets, the Galaxy A8 packs an octa-core 64-bit Qualcomm Snapdragon 615 processor, clocked at 1.5 GHz, and backed by the Adreno 405 GPU and 2 GB of RAM. However, our particular model is the Korean variant, which offers 2 GB RAM but instead features an Exynos 5430 SoC. While there will be minor differences, we'd expect both versions to perform relatively similarly. Everyday performance with the A8 was good, with everything running smoothly when browsing the web, multitasking, or playing graphic-intensive games. The Galaxy A8 comes with 16 GB or 32 GB built-in storage, and as mentioned, the second SIM slot can be used for expandable storage via microSD card, by up to 128 GB, leaving it on the users to choose between dual SIM or expandable storage. The device packs the usual suite of connectivity options, and while 4G LTE connectivity is available in select markets, that isn't the case in the US, where you will be limited to HSPA+ on the AT&T and T-Mobile network. A fingerprint scanner is also integrated into the physical home button of the device, and works just as well as it does on the Galaxy S6, allowing for a quick and simple way to unlock the phone. The setup process is identical, requiring a series of repeated presses until it completely captures your fingerprint, and you have the option to store up to a maximum of 4 fingerprints at one time.